Hey guys, it's Wengie and squishy hugs! Squished you! Today I decided to turn myself into a squishy and also make over other squishies into family members as well. And thank you so much to Capsule Chix for sponsoring this video. They have been my partner for this and I can't wait to show you their collections. Makeover time! Let's go! So before I turn myself into a squishy, I thought I would first try something a little easier. First up, we're gonna turn Boomba into a squishy. Yep, he's a little munchkin and I do like to squish him in real life anyways. Plus, he's all white, so it makes it a lot easier. So the first step is to paint him all white. As usual, we're gonna need several coats of white fluffy paint, more like a billion coats. So get some music going and start painting. I actually find painting really soothing. I should do it more. Anyways, I think I ended up using around 6 coats, so now we have our white base. Next up, I'm going to use these colors to repaint Boomba's features. First up, we're going to take some black and paint on his cute eyes and mouth. Next up, we're going to use some yellow, orange, and green to paint on his yellow eyes. Some of you guys have asked whether his eyes are yellow or green, and they're actually a mix of both. Honestly, I get pretty nervous around these delicate areas because it's kind of hard to fix if you make a mistake. And next, take some pink paint for his ears, and again, you probably need to do a few coats of paint for this. Now, originally, this cat is holding a heart, but I wanted to channel Boomba, and the one thing about him is he loves food. So I thought, what better object to hold than a chicken nugget from McDonald's. Yep, it's a true story, guys. Boomba loves chicken nuggets. Just look at him go. Anyways, I used a dabbing technique with more paint to create the chicken nugget texture. And you know what? I think it looks kind of good. Lastly, I drew a rim of black around his eye and we're done. I've officially turned Boomba into a chicken nugget. Isn't he the cutest? If you guys want more cuteness overload, go and follow Boomba_munchkin on Instagram. There we go, Boomba. I plugged your Instagram. Are you happy? Okay, continue eating your chicken nugget. So before showing you the other DIYs, I wanted to thank Capsule Chix for partnering with me on this video. They have an amazing new range of collectible dolls for you guys to play with. We have the Ramrock collection, the Giga Glam collection, the Sweet Circuits collection, and the Control Alt Magic collection. All you need to do to start making your doll is to turn the Dial Up Your Style capsule release lever and wait for your capsule to pop out. You can reload capsules back into your box if you want as well for later, like this. Each capsule contains one part of your doll and there are tons of possible items to get, including some super rare fabrics. Once you have all your doll parts, start piecing them together. Each collection showcases a new unique style of doll, but the great thing is you can mix and match between various collections to create an endless number of unique doll combinations. Capsule Chix even made me a custom Wengie fabric, which is this amazing fluffy unicorn coat, which looks super cute as well. I can't wait to see your creations. So next up we have this squishy baby, and I'm not trying to be mean, but like, it's not my favorite squishy design in the world. So I came up with a way to turn my relationship with Max into a squishy. Yep, you heard that right. So the concept I'll be doing is 2 peas in a pod. First up, I'm just gonna trim this peanut hat overhanging thing. I don't know what it is, but I'm basically trying to create a smoother edge. Next, we're gonna coat the peanut baby in green puffy paint to create the green pea base color. Midway through the coats, I decided I didn't really like the hair tuft and the little baby dummy, so I trimmed those off too and had to recoat those areas with green paint. Definitely should have done that earlier, but oh well. Okay, so after the baby is green, that's a weird sentence, we're gonna paint the peanut a darker shade of green. I just mixed 2 of my greens together and again just started painting on several coats of dark green until I was done. After waiting for it to dry, it's now time to paint on some faces. Basically using some black paint, I drew some eyes and a smile to create a smiley face pea on the left. Next, on the right side, I made an angry face pea. I thought this was super funny because usually I'm the happy one in the relationship and Max is like the sarcastic, grumpy one. So yeah, this is our relationship in squishy form. Cute, right? So finally, we're gonna turn myself into a squishy. I found this super adorable princess squishy and thought this was a really good base. First up, I'm gonna clean up some of the edges because there are these really weird excess material just hanging off. Next, I'm gonna change her crown into cat ears because I love cats and I love wearing cat ear headbands. And if you guys have been following me, you'll know that about me. We're just gonna make a V cut in the middle of the crown and slowly shape that into cat ears. So I thought the best place to start painting would be the hair. And I basically just kind of went at it with pink at the top, then purple in the middle, and blue for the bottom. You definitely initially feel like nothing is happening, but just keep on adding on layers after waiting for them to dry and eventually, ta-da, you'll have something like this. I thought this turned out really well. What do you think? Next up, we're gonna use black paint to paint the cat ear headband. Then I decided to make my dress a nice pink color. And then gave myself a deep blue top. Lastly, I just fixed up the left eyelashes which had kind of faded and we're done. What do you think? Did it turn out well? Alright guys, let me know which one your favorite makeover was, and I feel like turning myself into a squishy was a success. Thank you so much Capsule Chix for partnering with me for this video, and also don't forget to check out their super cool toys. You can get them from Amazon and I've linked it down below. Alright guys, love you so much. Bye! Mwah!